I'm Laverne McGee, your Osceola County community correspondent. Many are wondering when former Osceola County Sheriff Marcos Lopez will get out from behind bars.
I've had multiple cases involving the Osceola County Sheriff's Office. I've hired people from his office to come work at my office. I've known him, I'm not friends with him, but I've known him, at a, social level at different networking events and stuff. I find the charges against him to be very surprising.
The charges against former Osceola County Sheriff Marcos Lopez are racketeering and conspiracy to commit racketeering, all in relation to a multi-million-dollar illegal gambling operation. Criminal defense attorney Rajan Joshi says he has to come up with his $1 million bond, and he has to prove every penny of it was made legally, a highly detailed process.
It's involving complex money laundering and racketeering. So what the judge is going to require is that they have got to show that all the proceeds used for the bond comes from legitimate sources. They got to show pay stubs. They got to show, maybe some type of legitimate credit cards. If they've sold any property, they got to show the receipts of it.
Is he a flight risk?
I honestly don't think Sheriff Lopez is a flight risk. I fought with Sheriff Lopez. I know him, at a social level. I think that he's going to stick and fight this case, defend himself vigorously. I don't believe he's a flight risk.
He's so high profile, though. How does that factor into things?
The fact that he's high profile puts a huge scrutiny on the case. It does. It puts a scrutiny on the prosecution. It puts a scrutiny on the judge. And every move that's going to be made is going to be highly scrutinized.
News 6 is monitoring the jail, and we will bring you the latest developments as it happens. I'm your community correspondent for Osceola County, Laverne McGee, News 6.